Motorola enthusiasts worldwide are eagerly anticipating the grand reveal of the highly anticipated mid-range smartphone, the Edge 50 Pro. The device has been teased on Flipkart, and Product Page Insights have offered a glimpse into what the Edge 50 Pro will offer. Ahead of the scheduled launch of the Motorola Edge 50 Pro and Edge 50 Fusion on April 3rd, various leaks regarding these devices have appeared online. Now, a new report has emerged, shedding light on important information about the upcoming Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. According to an Android Headlines report, the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra is said to launch in 3 colors: beige, black, and peach fuzz. The report also shared the design renders of the model in these colorways. It added that in select markets, the phone will launch with the moniker Moto X50 Ultra. Notably, the Moto X50 Ultra has officially been teased in China and is expected to launch soon. In the teaser video shared by Motorola in a Weibo post, the upcoming Moto X50 Ultra is shown juxtaposed with Formula One clips, hinting at the racing event serving as an inspiration, possibly design-wise. The company has also touted the phone to be an AI mobile phone. We can therefore expect it to be filled with AI-backed features. Motorola Edge 50 Ultra appears similar to the Motorola Edge 50 Pro in the leaked renders. The report suggests that the camera setup will include 50-megapixel sensors, including a 75mm Periscope lens that is said to offer 5x optical zoom. It is also expected to come with support for laser autofocus. The company has confirmed key features, including a curved display housing a centrally positioned punch hole notch for the selfie camera. Reports suggest that the Edge 50 Pro will boast a robust 4,500 mAh battery, providing ample power to keep users connected throughout the day. Further, the smartphone will boast an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, along with 50-watt wireless charging capability and support for lightning-fast 125-watt wired charging. The phone is also said to have a 6.7-inch display with a 165Hz refresh rate. The Motorola Edge 50 Ultra will come with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset, which is likely to be paired with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. It is also expected to debut with the new Hello UI, based on Android 14. This is Motorola's new user interface and is likely to come with 3 years of OS upgrades. The leaked design renders of the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra show the date April 3rd on the lock screen. An earlier leak regarding the Edge 50 Pro model also showed the same date, suggesting that is the likely launch date. Soon after, the company scheduled the India launch of the Motorola Edge 50 Pro for April 3rd. The report suggests that the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra is likely to launch alongside the Pro model, and the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion may also tag along. The report adds that the model could be priced at around $999, which is roughly 83,300 rupees. In the US, it's very likely to be rebranded as Motorola Edge Plus 2024 or Edge Ultra 2024, by the way. This information is not yet confirmed. Additionally, it remains unclear whether the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra will debut in India alongside the Motorola Edge 50 or not. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Until next time, keep teching.